Hi everyone, it's Nusha and today I'm gonna teach you a red velvet cake for your Valentine Day. If you wanna bake this cake, be with me. Let's get started. First, we have 60 grams of softened butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 120 grams of cooking oil. Mix them together for about 4 minutes until it becomes completely creamy. Now add the eggs one by one with the vanilla and mix them for about 30 seconds for each egg. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar and edible red color. We have 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix them together completely. Add them alternating with 1 cup of buttermilk. I wrote the recipe of buttermilk in the description. Make sure to beat well with each addition so that flour and buttermilk are well incorporated. You can see that alternating flour and buttermilk like this help keep the mixture smooth. I use a pan size 18, pour the batter into it, and bake it in 315 Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. And then let it cool, and after that design it with whipped cream and strawberry. Now I divide the cake into 3 layers and then cut it in the shape of a heart. This is how I make this kind of cake. How do you make it? Do you use buttermilk? Dear friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Bake this delicious cake and enjoy it.